Hey, it's your Boomer Consumer, and today we're talking about the brand new Edifier NeoBuds Pro version 2. As a disclaimer, these were sent to me for review at no cost to me. However, all opinions are my own, and no one has reviewed this video prior to posting. Now, I really enjoyed reviewing the original NeoBuds Pro, so I'm really looking forward to seeing the improvements of the new version. So just a little bit about the specs on these and the key features. One, they support Bluetooth 5.3. They feature wideband active noise cancellation, and that's good up to negative 50 dB. 360-degree spatial audio, supports LDAC, and then LHDC, which is the low latency version of LDAC, and of course AAC SBC. Comes with 4 microphones on each earbud, so a total of 8. And then you get 7 pairs of ear tips with these, so you should be able to find something that would really comfortably fit. It's rated at IP54 for water and dust resistance. It has wearing detection. Apparently it knows when you put it in your ears. Digital frequency crossover. Up to 22 hours of playback time, and you can get up to 2 hours of playback time on a 15-minute charge. Also, it has a color LED, personalized sound profiles, and the best part, it's only $129.99. If you want more information, I do have my Amazon affiliate link in the description down below. Now let's go ahead and go over the unboxing and just take a look what you get with the NeoBuds Pro 2. We'll just call these the Pro 2s from now on. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. Kind of put you in mind, a little bit of an Apple-esque type of unboxing. And we have this little tab on here. There we go. All right, we're going to open it up. And there they are. It's very nicely done, by the way. Very nicely done. All right. Pull this up. Huh, okay. And there's the, right there's where you would charge and store the case. And then open that up. Okay, nothing else there that I can tell. Ah, here we go. Now let's go ahead and pull this up. This is probably where the ear tips, and I'm guessing a charging cable would be. There we go. Sure enough, there's a USB Type A to Type C cable. Ah, a little snack. There we go. And then, what else is in the box? We get a little pouch. Open that up. There we go. Very good. Oh, that's a nice feeling pouch. Really nice. All right, put that off to the side. And then finally at the bottom, and get this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of tips. You just peel this off and then pull out the ones you want. That's what comes in the box. Now let's go ahead and open this up. And I think we probably do it this way. Right there. Oh, check that out. That is a nice looking pair of earbuds. Really nice looking. Okay, let's give it the old shake test. Oh, they're not coming out. That's important. Okay. Let's go ahead and take them out. Let's get a closer look at these. Wow, these are really very, very nice. Okay, go ahead and put them back in. Boom. Very nicely done. I think that's probably telling me that it's in the pairing mode right now. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and I'll come back and we'll go through the pairing process. I'm going to use my iPhone 11 and we're going to then test these out and see how well they do. Okay, let's go ahead and get these paired up with my phone. And all we have to do is just open the case And as it starts going around like that, that indicates that you're in pairing mode for the first time. So we'll just go into Bluetooth. Let's go into, let's take a look here. Let's go into Bluetooth. And let's see if we recognize it. Right there they are, the NeoBuds Pro 2. Tap on that. And we should be connected. Let's take a look here. AirPods Pro, best you Bluetooth. There they are, right there. We are connected. I just have all these Bluetooth devices in there. Now, one thing you want to do is get the Edifier Connect app. And so I happen to have that installed. Let's pull that up. And let's see how that works. There it goes. It recognized them right off the bat. Nothing's playing on there. We got different features. Let's take a look here. Music mode, game mode, spatial audio. We're going to try that out with Apple Music. I think what's important, I'm going to do a quick sound test. Right now we're leaving it in music mode. Anything else to look at on here? Got some, we have custom EQ on here. We can do that. Nice. All right, so different frequencies we can work with. 100, 2,000, 4,000, 8,000 kilohertz. Okay, so your low bass, your mid-range, upper, your treble, etc. Okay. And I'm assuming you might have a couple different options on here as far as profiles, but apparently not. I'm not seeing the ability to say like classic, rock, jazz, that kind of thing. I guess you set it right there. We'll just go ahead and put it back. Dynamic music and then classic. We're just going to put that on classic for right now. Okay. Oh, and then we can change the colors of the LED. I happen to be a big fan of blue. So let's change that from white to blue. There we go. Check that out. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Let's go back. Music mode. And we can do spatial audio. We'll come back and revisit that. And then you have different settings on here. Let's take a look at those. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So these have to deal with the type of noise cancellation that you want. Right now it's set to ANC off, but then you have high cancellation, like medium, low, ambient, off, and that's what you got there. Then let's see what this does. No music, playing, record. Oh, okay. Confirm. Okay. To discover, that's just going to take you to a bunch of marketing stuff. Back out of there. Me, customize tunings, takes you right there to the equalizer. Go back. Devices compatible. Looks like some more marketing stuff to me. Okay. Add a widget. Add a widget, huh? Oh, okay, cool. All right. Probably won't mess with that for right now. I'm really curious to see how well these sound. So what I'm going to do, I can't help myself, man. I want to try this spatial audio thing and see how well that works. All right, so I'm going to put the earbuds into my ears. All right. Well, these are the ones that come with it. Boom. All right, earbuds are in, spatial audio active. I just heard a little chime in the left ear, in the right ear. Go out of there. I'm going to go in Apple Music. Come on. Let's look for spatial audio. There we go, made for spatial audio. And let's hit play. Let's see what happens. Not really telling any difference there at all. Sounds fantastic, by the way. Let me try something else here. All right, working ball. Yeah, okay, I'm picking up a little something. Interesting. Okay, let's stop that. Let's go back into the Edifier Connect app. Okay, let's go back. ANC is on the high right now. We're going to go ahead and, okay, we turned that off. And you get up to 22 hours of runtime if you have it turned off. I believe it's 16 hours with ANC active and then 22 hours with it off. Okay. Got that. Let's go back to spatial audio, enable calibrating. Okay, so we're going to go through a setup routine. Okay. I'm turning my head left and right, up and down, around. That's your yaw. Okay. All right. Is it done calibrating? I don't know. Okay, am I supposed to do this for a long time? Come on, what the hell? All right, back and forth. There we go. Okay, I now playing spatial audio, wrecking ball minus, and it's working. So you do have to go through a calibration process on that. Yeah, as I move my head around, her voice is moving around. It's a very cool effect. I don't think it's one that I would use for using with music so much as I would if I were watching video. Like if I was watching a series on Apple TV Plus or something, that's when I would probably enable that. But it is a very cool effect. I have the AirPods Pro, and it's kind of a similar effect, which is outstanding because these are obviously less money. Not hearing greatest audio quality out of this track. Let me try another one here and see if, yeah, it's a very cool effect. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. There we go. And we'll just go back into music mode. There we go. We're back into music mode. So I would think that the spatial audio probably works best if you're watching something like Atmos type of program on like I said, Apple TV Plus, maybe Netflix, something like that. But you do have to go through that calibration process. Okay. Back to just listening to some ordinary music. We're in music mode, so spatial is definitely a different mode. Go back into here. And let's take a look here. Let's go into, let's search. I happen to be a big Dire Straits fan, so I'll just put on some Dire Straits. No, Steely Dan. Steely Dan, there we go. And let's see how this sounds. Reeling in the Years. I love that tune. Let's go ahead and play that. Oh, yeah. Dee, 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 dee. I promise I'm going to sing. I'm going to sing. These sound fantastic. Really, really fantastic. Nice, deep. The bass is very, very good. I mean, it's not going to be like, listening to something with a subwoofer or something like that, but the vocals sound really, really good on this. How about Deacon Blues? One of the best songs ever, I think. There we go. Oh, yeah, that sounds really, really good. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm liking that. Yep, sounds fantastic. Okay. So one of the things, this has environmental noise cancellation on the microphones. There are 4 on each earbud for a grand total of 8. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a quick call here. I don't want you to see who I'm calling, but let's just try making a quick call. There we go. Well, I'm just going to call my missus. I told her to stand by and answer the phone. Hey, dear, how you doing? I'm doing great. How does it sound? It does, doesn't it? Very clear. Very, very clear. Outstanding. Okay, well, hey, thanks for picking up, and I will talk to you later. Bye. How did it sound? Very clear, very sharp, maybe just a little bit like she was in a tunnel, if that makes any sense to you. But it's still very, very, very good. Sounded great. And obviously she could hear me no problem because, I think with earbuds, especially if you're working and, you're taking a lot of calls, making a lot of calls, something like these would be extremely good to have. Music sounds really good. Let's go back in the Connect app. Okay, let's try the dynamic sound. Let's see how that sounds. Let's put back Moody Blues back, or Deacon Blues. Okay, I definitely prefer dynamic over the classic. Yeah, that is, I think, a better way to go. And of course, if you want to customize the sound, you could do that. I think I could probably use a little bit of help on the bass. So let's do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and boost the bass response on there. Yeah, I would definitely do that. Then you could just save that, so you can give it a name, that profile. So I've kind of customized the color of the case, which is very nice. You have USB-C on here. Boom. I like that. Very nicely made, very nicely done. Yeah, these sound really, really good. I would compare these very favorably with the AirPods Pro. Now, I don't have the very latest ones that were launched in September, but I do have the pair right before that, and I would compare these very favorably with that sound, maybe even a tad bit better in certain aspects. For $130, I don't think you can go wrong with these things. Not at all. That sounds really, really impressive. Go back to music. Let's go ahead and stop it. And stop. There we go. So these are the Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2. Like the case, it's got a very good feel to it. And by the way, the tips that came with these work just great. They fit like perfectly in my ear. And of course, you have touch controls. Let's go to the settings up here. Control settings. There we go. Right there. Tap, your left ear to pause play, or you can change for the right ear, previous track, volume, sound control, noise cancellation. It's all right there. And then, of course, you can do the same thing with the right as well. Activate your voice assistant, change your sound mode, sound controls, volume down. So that's double tap. And then you triple tap, play, pause, etc. Yeah, those are all right there in the settings. Your tap sensitivity, wearing detection, pause audio when earbuds are removed, play audio when inserted. Wow. Power off. Click confirm to turn the product off. We're just going to get out of there. Okay. Why can't I get out of there? Okay, well, we'll just close it out. Anyhow, you get the idea. The Edifier Connect app works brilliantly with these earbuds. Really, truly does. Super impressed with these. Super impressed. Of course, you have a nice multi-language user manual. I don't know why the print is so small, but it is. I think for $130, these are money well spent on these, especially if you're on the go a lot, or, like I work behind a desk all day. I'm on the phone all day. Very comfortable. They fit in the ear nicely. The ANC works really good. Let me go back into here, by the way, into the Connect app. Okay, let's, okay, we confirmed we're back into the app again. Now that's right now, we're on high cancellation. Change it. That's medium. That's low noise cancellation. Ambient sound, so you can kind of hear around you. Then it has wind reduction. Very nice. Back on ANC. I'm going to stop the music for a second here. All right. I've got a fan on a light and some other stuff going on. Let me turn that off. I kind of like the high noise cancellation. You may not, but probably a happy medium is in the medium mode. So this is the Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2. These are a premium earbud. Spatial audio, and it works. You do have to go through the calibration process. So yeah, I think for, like I said, $130, it's going to be very hard to find a better deal in a set of earbuds. And that's it. That is the review of the Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.